Hey guys, it's me, Stasia Star. Welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, then welcome. Thank you for joining me. Thank you for rocking with me. Unfortunately, we're still super quarantined, which really sucks. And so I'm so sorry that we're all trapped in the house, but I thought I should just go ahead and do another video just to brighten everyone's day. Anyways, so actually I got really bored and I ordered some wigs. So we're gonna do an unboxing and a review of a wig that I just ordered. I've never wore this wig before. I have just gotten it in the mail today and I'm going to try it on and I'm going to style it. So we're gonna be doing it from start to finish, unlike in the previous video that I did where my wig was already cut and somewhat already styled. I just had to clean it up. We're gonna be starting from scratch. So that is why I have my hair in 2 braids. Okay, and so we're just gonna jump in. And I hope everybody's staying safe. I hope everybody is, staying positive during these times. It's not easy, but we have to stay diligent. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply some of the olive oil eco styling gel just to slick down my edges. As you can see, my hair is already in 2 French braids. Let me go ahead and put on my wig cap. So I'm just putting on a wig cap that I have. Already got some foundation on it, and I'm just gonna tuck my 2 braids under the wig. I kind of like crisscross them in the back, making sure that I get all my hair under there. And while we're doing this, while we're setting up the wig, we can take some of the Got To Be Glued Blasting Free Spray and just begin to dab it over the hair. Just letting that get tacky so that when we apply the lace, it will already be sticky. And this also helps so that the hair can kind of stay put, and that, people like me who have really curly hair, we don't need those little curls creeping out. Okay, so the wig that I'm going to be trying on is the Cloud 9 Swiss Lace Wig by Sensationnel. It is a pre-customized hairline, meaning it was pre-plucked. It's in the style Solana, color 2, meaning I just got it like in dark brown. And it is a lace front wig. It is synthetic, and it is heat safe up to 350 degrees to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. So this is the packaging the wig comes from. I got this from Diva Tress. It was under $60. And a lot of people have always said they really liked this wig. I never really got like a wig that's just like a dark color, just all one dark color. So it was really something I wanted to try. Packaging, of course, all wigs come packaged in a net, and you want to save that net just for storage. And here is the lace, pretty translucent lace, and it comes with 3 clips. So we have the clip in the back, and we have the clips on the right and the left, and those will go under your hair. I'm gonna go ahead and cut this little piece off because first glance the hair is very silky and smooth. It looks really dark on camera, but it is dark brown. So it is dark brown. This is my natural hair color without the red. So we're just gonna put it on and we're gonna begin to style it. And I'm so excited to see how this looks really on the head and pulling all of that lace down. I like how it's very tight to my hair. I appreciate that. I truly do. So I'm just gonna make sure all my hair is under the wig. And I'm gonna take those side clips and put them under my hair, under the wig cap, just to secure it, because you don't want your wig to be out here running around the wind, talking to everybody, having conversations about you and stuff. Like, you're mad disrespectful wig. All right. So as of now, it's definitely looking a little bit wiggy. Like I said, on camera, this color looks really black, but it is dark brown. Probably a little bit too dark for me because I don't ever wear dark color hair like this, but we're still gonna style it and we're just gonna see. But the hair is very soft, and I am happy with the hair quality for a synthetic wig. It is pretty nice. So I'm gonna just take some clips, and I'm just taking clips to pin the hair back. It is very silky, I will say that. Okay. You can do this either on your head or off of your head. I like to do it on so I get a really good view of how I want it to lay on my hair. And I'm pretty used to this, so that's why I'm doing it fast. Okay, so We have gotten the lace to be exactly what we want it to be. As you can see, both sides have been cut down. Now what we're gonna do, and that is why I just wanted to leave a little bit of hair out, is I'm just gonna secure the wig with the clips under my actual wig cap. I'm tucking these clips into my hair under the cap on both sides. That just helps it to be so more secure so that it won't move around. You know, just in case you're doing like the dirty line or something, it doesn't come off. And so the next thing we're gonna do is we're just gonna take our clips and just pin the hair back. Okay. And this hair is really soft. And just take some of that spray. Let it get a little bit tacky. I wouldn't know too much about tacky, but I'm pretty sure your ex-boyfriend's girlfriend does. And just like hit that down. And that is why I really like to cut really, really close to the lace, because the more close you cut to the lace, the better the hairline. Like the more lace you cut close, and you might even have to take a little bit of hair off the hairline, the better it's gonna look when you lay it down. And the hairline is pretty good, you know, like it's pretty good hairline. The only thing is I just want it to kind of blend in with my hair. So I'm gonna take some of that foundation still and go right here. This wig kind of already comes with layers, but I'm gonna go ahead and style it as well. So I'm just giving it a comb through. This hair is very soft. I do always like to, you know, style my own wigs because I feel like it just helps it look less wiggy. Because wigs can look really wiggy sometimes, you know, like they just be doing that wiggy thing. As you can see, I kind of have a type of style that I like for my wigs. I like these very like voluminous layered wigs, and this is a good test to do because we also want to see how this wig takes to heat. Styled and curled. I will say it is very soft. It does take really nice to heat. I'm definitely probably gonna do some trims, like trim up these bangs in the front because I don't really like bangs that long. I'm good with them being like right here. And also I just want to maybe flatten this out if I was going to wear it out, just because this little bulge right here is bothering me. But overall, I give this wig great reviews. I think it's a great synthetic wig. It takes great to heat. The hair is very soft. It feels very natural. The Sensational Cloud 9 Swiss lace wig in the style of Solana. This is the color 2. And I got this from Diva Tress. I will include the link to the wig in the description, as well as the cost and things of that nature. So let me know what you guys think. I definitely would probably, if I should have brought my blow dryer out just to kind of like really get the spray really tacky on the edges as far as sticking down the lace. But if you have wig glue, that will work perfectly. I do think that the hairline is very natural. I think it looks very real, especially like this parting in the back. It just looks very natural and real. And I love these huge wigs that really give you volume and length and layers. It's just very girly, and whenever I'm wearing a wig and I don't want to wear my natural red hair, I love to go very glam and girly. So like I said, I give this wig thumbs up. Of course, I'm gonna, you know, mess with this a little bit more, but I just wanted to do just an initial styling. I didn't want to make the video too long. As I go on and as I wear this wig more, I'll definitely make some edits. But overall, I give this a 10. Great synthetic wig. I think it's a great price point. It's affordable. It's easy to style. It comes with the lace really nicely laid down, and the hairline just looks really nice. All you really have to do is adjust the lace to your liking and cut it down. And so like I said, I give it great reviews. It's your girl Stasia Star. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and have a great day and stay safe and blessed.